Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about functions in C language.
Oh, I'm getting really sleepy now.
Wake up! Are you sleeping during your class?
This is so good. Just treating myself. Oh no, my camera is on? Who turns on my camera?
I miss you so much. You're the best, babe. I'll call you right after class.
I think we'll continue the lecture now.
Kitty! What are you doing on my laptop? Get down!
One more hit. Come on, come on.
What?
Got this.
So this is your online class? Headphones on, game on, lecture gone. Are you planning to end up like your father, you idiot?
Good morning, students. Last row, come to the front and recap the last lecture. So, is this a classroom or a cafeteria?
Sorry, sir.
You should try writing a C program for this formula. The program must take the values from the user, perform the calculation, and display the final answer on the screen. Hello? Are you coding in your dreams?
Excuse me? Where are you going? Congratulations! You are only... No, VIP students sit in the front.
Are you collecting signatures for your fan club now?